Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well, and this time I'm going to draw a rose of BLACKPINK, and I'm going to use only graphite pencils for that. Maybe I can use charcoal pencils, but only for the eyes. Otherwise this whole sketch is based on the graphite medium only. And also watch this video till end so that you can be the part of this whole artwork making process. So let's get started and hope for the best. So let me introduce you with my workmates, my beautiful A3 size Brewster ultra smooth drawing sheet, and also my evergreen Faber-Castell beauties. Now let's tape the paper using masking tape so that to stabilize the paper, और इससे ये होगा कि drawing करते time paper move नहीं करेगा. Finally, I'm turning the lights on and it's time to work. So I have been thinking of doing a simple sketch since so long, and finally I'm doing it. And guess what? I'm starting this work on time as well. अभी time हो रहा है 6:30 evening के, and today we have enough time left to complete this work, or at least half of it. So let's see how much we can do today. Basically, I love doing charcoal works, but the one thing I love about graphite is that they are easier to blend and also they are easier to handle as compared to the charcoal pencils. Here I completed the face portion, and now it's time to add some crazy little highlights. And oh my god, how can I forget about it? Let me introduce you with my little cute egg pen holder, and I bought it from Amazon recently and I'm totally in love with it. Anyways, let's get back to the work. Make this shit work. I kinda like her hair portion. It turned out quite well. और अब ड्रॉ करते हैं इसके हेयर, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट रियली एंजॉय ड्रॉइंग हेयर विद यूजिंग ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल, बट उसके हेयर काफ़ी लाइट हैं तो ग्रेफाइट वुड बी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर इट. एंड हेयर इट इज. और मुझे लगता है इतने भी बुरे नहीं लग रहे हैं, अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं वैसे. Okay, so I completed this much work, so let's take a small tea break and let's have some tea and then we'll continue working again. You know what? I prefer tea over coffee and it works as an energy source for me. तो बीच में छोटा सा break और उसमें चाय, तो it works magical for me. Anyways, let's get back to the work now. So I completed half of the work till now and only the cloth portion and hands are left. So hope कि ये दोनों portion भी gracefully complete हो जाएं. I took around 7 to 8 hours to complete this much work only. Although I didn't work continuously, but I counted the hours this time. And let's see how much more it is gonna take in total. So finally I'm about to complete this hand portion as well. And also I really enjoyed doing this full graphite artwork. It's been a long since I did a fully graphite based artwork. And also let's add some final highlights and then I'll show you the final artworks. Okay, here are the final results and hope you guys like it. All the material details are given in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And also thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.